Hello everyone, I just want to quickly talk about gaining access to my Facebook group. It's linked beneath each video and it's where I do share my freebies. So this is the header for the group. Now I've got two pages on Facebook with the same header. One is just a business page and one is a group. Okay, so there's two different ones. You obviously can't ask to join a page, but you can ask to join a group. Now, I check every single person that comes to join my group. Every single profile is checked by me, not by my admin, by me personally. And I do check every single profile, and there's a reason for that, and that reason is to keep my members safe. I don't want my members getting scammed, cloned, copied, pestered at all. It's a closed private group, so only people that are in there can see what goes on. Alright, so if you ask to join and you don't get in, it is not me being snobby, elitist or excluding anybody. It is because I check every profile and I'll tell you what I'm checking for. Okay, and if you haven't got in, it's because you have raised a red flag in my mind and I've not allowed it in because I can't be certain that the profile is a genuine profile. So this is what I'm looking for. First of all, is there a photo? If there's no photo, to me that's an immediate red flag. There should be some sort of photo on a Facebook profile. And the type of people that I want in my group are genuine crafters. Okay, genuine crafters, because that's who I am aiming to reach and aiming to help. So if there's no profile, that's a photo, that's a red flag to me. If there isn't a genuine name, my Facebook is Amanda Charlesworth because that is my name. So if it's some kind of made up name, and I don't just mean a business name, I mean literally a made up name, like one came through today, I think it was like Binky or Bobby Boo or something like that. Well, that's not somebody's name, that's a made up name, and I understand why people do it because they want to stay private on Facebook, but for me it's about protecting my members. So I need to know that the pages that the Facebook profiles I'm letting in the group are genuine and not hackers, cloners, spammers, Chinese sellers, rude pornographic sites, you know, because it does happen. I don't want any of that. So I check, me personally, not my admin, me, I check every single person that asks to join. The other thing I will check is if it is a brand new profile that's been created in the last few days or even the last few months. That will make me go and check that profile out. Okay. Now, when I'm checking a profile out, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for content that's recent. I'm looking to see that you've got a nice healthy friends list. If you've not got any friends listed, or you've not been posting on your Facebook for a year, then I'm going to think that that's a hacked profile and it's not going to get in. If your profile is locked, and I understand again why people lock their profiles, if your profile is locked, I won't let you in, because I need to know that these profiles are genuine profiles. So if you have a locked profile, what you can do is you can email me and you can send me a friend's request, and if you really want to join, you know, you would do that and I will then send you a request and you can join. What else am I looking for? So no photos, no history, no friends, locked profiles. Also, if I go on your profile and I think, you know, because normally people will have friends in common, they'll have crafty groups in common. I'm in lots of groups and I have lots and lots and lots and lots of crafters on my friends list. So if there's no groups and no friends in common at all, it's unusual to me, because people find me through other groups, they find me through other crafters, they find me through YouTube, they find me through the crafty community. So if there's none of that showing, again, that's a red flag to me. Alright, I'm very careful, and I know this is terrible, but I'm very careful about letting gentlemen in the group. I have to know that that gentleman is a bona fide crafter, because I don't want any of my ladies getting bombarded with silly messages from silly men. with silly intentions. And that might seem sexist. Well, I don't care. I don't care. My aim is to protect my members. So yeah, there'll be no, you know, USA army men with the suits on getting into our group. So I just want to say that if you have asked to join and you've not got in, please don't be offended. It is just me being super careful to protect my members. That is my job. They've come, and you kind of put your faith in people when you join groups. So it's my job to make sure that those ladies and gentlemen that are in there are kept safe, and their information's safe, their profiles are safe, and they're not getting bothered by anybody except for me. So I just wanted to clarify. So if for some reason you have been refused access to the group and you really are a genuine profile and you really genuinely are a crafter and you want to join, you can email me. My email's in the description box below, and we'll come to some sort of way of letting you in the group once I can determine that you are a genuine crafter with genuine intentions. And it may sound harsh, okay, and this is one time when I'm going to literally say I don't care if it's harsh. I don't, unfortunately, if a few people lose out because I'm trying to keep all of the people safe, then I apologise, but I'm genuinely got to be so careful. There's so many people getting hacked and cloned and etc. and bothered on Facebook that it is absolutely essential that I keep my my members safe. Yeah, so there you go. I just thought I'd come and share that so that people didn't think that I was being mean. I suppose it is kind of mean, but it's mean with good intentions. All right, so there you go. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.